What's up, everybody? It's your boy Shelby Colbert, aka the Introverted Verbalist, back with another episode of Thoughts of a Predicate Pothead, the podcast. And today's thought is: do you believe the cells in our body are aware of their selves? Get it? Cells, selves, selves. Do you believe they're self-aware of what's going on in and outside of our body? Let's dig in. Yeah, man. I smoked a little while back, and it made me think of the movie Osmosis Jones. It was back in 2001, starring Bill Murray, Chris Rock, Lawrence Fishburne, Morpheus, and William Shatner was in there as Mayor Flynn. You haven't seen the movie. Basically, it's pretty cool because it's like a half live action, half animated movie. So Bill Murray, he's in a live action version. He's like a zookeeper who ends up like eating a sandwich or something, and then he gets like food poisoning and he gets really sick. Meanwhile, inside his body, the animated world, Chris Rock and Lawrence Fishburne team up. So Chris Rock is like a a white blood cell cop. He's a copper. White blood cell, the white blood cells protect our bodies from bacteria and other things like that. So yeah, Chris Rock is a blood cell, white blood cell, and then Lawrence Fishburne is like a cold flu medicine pill that Bill Murray swallows, to help fight the bacteria, infection, whatever he got. So yeah, Chris Rock and Chris Rock and Lawrence Fishburne team up to crack down the case and find the bacteria, infecting Bill Murray's body. So they do that, they're running around the stomach, the heart, whatever. And I don't remember exactly how the movie goes, but I just know they team up, they fight the crime, they save Bill Murray in the end. Happy ending. And actually, before he ate that, Bill Murray was like a pretty, he didn't have the greatest health, eating fast food, drinking a lot of pop, just a horrible diet, didn't exercise, just gained a little bit of weight. He got a gut on him. So I feel like if you're Bill Murray, you get a bad diet, you don't exercise, watch that movie, you might learn something. So yeah, man. Anyways, the movie was cool, but that made me think, are the cells in our body aware of the outside world and aware of, oh shit, drop the joint. Are they aware of themselves, like it's the stomach aware of the brain and vice versa? Which obviously, yeah, I feel like it is. The organs in our body, they have to communicate. The brain, the CEO of the company is telling everybody what to do. Every organ got this cubicle, just typing away, making sure, progress reports, everything looks good, keep the numbers up. And, so I feel like they'd be working together. But it's like, are they aware of the outside world as much as our souls are? Because like when you're looking at a food as a stomach, like, oh man, he's about to eat that shit again. Get ready. Remember last time when he ate that, I was tore up. So it's like the stomach sending signals to the brain, like, hey, don't do it. Tell them no, don't do it. Our heart's beating, pumping blood, lungs pumping oxygen, legs walking, keeping me upright. But it's like, are they aware that I'm doing a podcast right now? How aware are they? It's like I'm looking at the trees, blue sky, clouds, all the pretty fall colors. Is the stomach aware of that? Is the brain aware of that? Well, obviously the brain is, because, you know, he runs everything. But, well, I won't lie, this got me stumped a little bit. That's why I'm bringing it to y'all. So please drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think, alright? I need a little help on this. Also, there's a song by Lupe Fiasco, one of my favorite hip-hop artists. You know, I don't consider him a rapper. Lupe Fiasco is a hip-hop artist, an artiste, if you will. And one of his albums, Tetsu and Youth, he has a song called Dots and Lines. One of those lines in between those dots goes little something like this. Bigger worlds have little worlds that feed onto velocity, and little worlds have lesser worlds, and so onto velocity. You look just like an anomaly, sacred geometry, and a line, through angels and kind, don't straight. I fucked that all up. Anyways, go listen to the song, man. And I'm not gonna stand here and act like I know what the hell he's talking about, because Lupe is a deep brother. But I'm gonna give it my best guess. And what I think he's talking about is, you know, at least one of my theories, my example that relates to this topic is the Milky Way. You know, our universe, mini universe in this galaxy. Or is it no, galaxy in the universe. So the Milky Way is a big world that has little worlds like our solar system. And that little world has lesser worlds, like worlds as in the world that we live on, Earth. Lesser worlds have little worlds, and so on to velocity. So yeah, solar system has little worlds like Earth, Mars, celestial bodies, Pluto. You know, the whole world could forget Pluto was a planet. I never forget. Never forget. So yeah, those are the little worlds, man. And so on to velocity. And then another thought I have in another episode is that I believe Earth is a living, breathing organism, like a body. And us people are like the white blood cells to protect said body, which honestly we haven't been doing a good job of, except for the indigenous people. So shout out to the indigenous people on Turtle Island. Y'all are the real OGs of the planet. Mother Nature's protectors. If we lived in the perfect world, I feel like indigenous people, they would be the kings, presidents, the chiefs. Because somewhere, I don't know, man, somewhere in this world, humans got lost, we got confused, forgot who we are, just started fucking shit up for no reason. And I'm not gonna say exactly who, but you know, people out there destroying resources, cutting down trees. How's that other song go? I don't know the name of the song or who sings it, but I always hear it on the radio. They tear down paradise to build a parking lot. Man, and that's so damn true, because I see that everywhere. Like by my house, they cut down the whole damn forest, and now you see just open ugliness. And for what? And I understand like some stuff we need to cut down to house more people, but y'all getting a little ridiculous. Too ridiculous. Like a golf course. I don't play golf. Even if I did, I still feel this way. Golf is such a big waste of space. You need this whole friggin' mile-long course for this little tiny-ass ball. Bigger worlds have lesser worlds. You know how many people you could fit on a fucking golf course? God damn. Anyways. So on to velocity. Lost my train of thought. The weed's kicking in. I'll be all over the place. But if you knew me, you already knew that. If you knew that, you knew this. I don't know. Just talking shit at this point. Yeah, I said that to say this. I brought up the Lupe song to say that, you know, there are many worlds in all of these worlds. So there's the Milky Way, the solar system, break it down even smaller, there's Earth, break it down smaller, there's people. Or like even bigger than that, there's different ecosystems and different environments that we live in, you know. And then there's us, which, you know, we could say we're a whole environment or universe or even galaxy in ourselves, you know. And the cells in our body are just the many people walking around, living life, going to work, and making this body function properly, which is pretty interesting, you know. So our body, inside of a body, we have bodies, but then our body has multiple bodies. Like our brains is a whole body, whole different organ ecosystem than our stomach, different than our lungs, different than our genitalia, you know. But they're all connected, and they all play a part to keep this one thing, you know, going. But it's like, are they really aware? Because I'm not aware of what's going on. Like, I know when I'm hungry, I know when I'm tired, I know when I have a headache, you know, but I don't know exactly what it is that causes those things. I'm not a scientist, okay? I'm not a biologist, okay? I'm just a man with thoughts. Many thoughts all in my head. Yeah, man, I think that's really all I got. Just, like I said, I don't really know. It's an interesting question. But if you know, or if you think you know, let me know. You know what to do. Hit the like button. Drop it in the comments. What do you think? Do you think the cells in our body are aware of their selves? Are aware of other cells, like the cells of other people that we meet? Like on a microscopic scale, when we touch another person, do the cells in our fingertips, do they communicate with the other person, with the other body? Like, hey, what's up? We're like, oh no, stay away from me. Or because we're people and we're all the same, regardless of race, color, creed, we are all humans living all on the same planet. So please get along, stop fighting, look at the bigger picture, come together, and let's kill these bacteria, man. This infection that is harming the planet instead of harming it ourselves. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, share with your friends and family, because they might have some interesting thoughts as well. I'm gonna share them regardless if you share it or not. So yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, or don't. Do what you do, man. But yeah, I'm Shelly Cobra, aka the Introverted Verbalist, aka King Cobra, with another thought of a predicate pothead. And I'll see y'all next time. Alright, y'all, peace.